Hey there, data explorers. John Green here, and let's talk data. It's everywhere. From the moment your alarm goes off, thanks data-driven sleep tracker, to your latest online purchase, hello, targeted ads, data shapes our world. Businesses track sales and customer trends. Students analyze research papers and experiment results. Scientists delve into massive data sets to unlock the mysteries of the universe. But here's the thing, dealing with all this data can be overwhelming. Imagine trying to find a specific grain of sand on a beach. That's where DuckDB comes in, like a super-powered metal detector for data. DuckDB is an open-source database management system designed for analytical workloads. In simpler terms, it's like a high-speed, super-efficient tool for analyzing data. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of data analysis. It's fast, it's powerful, and it can handle all sorts of data, from simple spreadsheets to massive data sets. But the best part, DuckDB is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding whiz or a tech genius to use it. It's designed for everyone, from students to business owners to scientists.
Meet Sarah, a small business owner who sells handmade jewelry online. She wanted to understand her customers better, who was buying what, when they were buying, and where they were located. Sarah started using DuckDB to analyze her sales data. She could quickly see which products were most popular, identify seasonal buying trends, and even pinpoint geographic areas where her jewelry was in high demand. Armed with these insights, Sarah could tailor her marketing campaigns, optimize her inventory, and ultimately boost her sales. DuckDB helped her turn raw data into actionable business intelligence.
Section 4. Alex's Journey Conquering College with Data. Now, let's meet Alex, a college student working on a research project for their sociology class. They had to analyze a large data set of survey responses about social media usage. Manually sifting through all that data would have taken ages, but with DuckDB, Alex could quickly import the dataset, clean it up, and start running analyses in minutes. They used DuckDB to calculate averages, identify trends, and even create visualizations to present their findings. DuckDB helped Alex turn a daunting research project into a manageable and even enjoyable experience.
Section 5. Dr. Lee's Research. Unlocking Discoveries with DuckDB. Let's move on to Dr. Lee, a climate scientist studying the effects of global warming on ocean currents. She works with massive datasets collected from satellites and ocean buoys. Analyzing this data requires immense computational power. DuckDB's speed and efficiency allowed Dr. Lee to process these massive datasets faster than ever before, leading to quicker insights and discoveries. By identifying patterns and anomalies in the data, Dr. Lee and her team could track changes in ocean currents, predict future climate patterns, and contribute valuable information to the global effort to combat climate change.
Section 6. Empowering Americans Making Informed Decisions with DuckDB. From Sarah's small business to Alex's college research, to Dr. Lee's groundbreaking climate science, DuckDB is empowering Americans from all walks of life to harness the power of data. It's helping us make sense of the world around us, make smarter decisions, and solve complex problems. Whether you're a student, a business owner, a scientist, or just someone who wants to understand the information overload of the 21st century, DuckDB is a tool worth exploring. So dive into the world of data analysis with DuckDB, and who knows what amazing discoveries you'll make. Until next time, this is John Green signing off.